Hey, this is Ben and I'm in the kitchen and I want to talk to you today about the Roots Circle Citric Acid. We have the 30-ounce bottle here and this is something we use on a regular basis. In fact, as soon as this runs out, we order more. And the main thing we use this for is in our dishwasher. The consistency is really like sugar. Now I will say that most of the time this is nice and powdery, but this most recent one I got has been a little bit caked in there. So some of it's a little hard, but I just kind of scrape it and it's been just fine. So you can see there's some kind of chunks in there from caking, but this is the first time out of many that I've had that happen. Citric acid can be used for a lot of purposes, including cleaning, and you can actually use it in food. This is food grade, but we have not yet tried it in food. So what I do is I just have an old scoop here, and when it comes time to run the dishwasher, I put a scoop down at the bottom of the dishwasher like that. I put our soap packet in there. So we have hard water here, and even though we do treat it in our house, running the dishwasher still leaves some deposits behind, and this takes care of it really well. It leaves our dishes sparkling, and it gets all of those spots off of the dishes. And what we like about it is that we like to stay away from harsh chemicals and things when it comes to cleaning and things that especially things that we put food on and eat. So we've used this on our appliances, stainless steel appliances. We've used it to clean up around our sinks, in our shower, and it's just kind of a good all-purpose thing to have around. But mainly every day we use it in our dishwasher, and it just does a great job. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.